Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Hank Eru from jamtoursafrica.com family, exporturbanrealtor.com, veganchoicefoods.com, the vegan Jamaican restaurant over there in Laverton family. So today, guys, I said you guys, Miss Jam Tours, you explain this now what it is, because I don't know. I am the
Myself, I don't know it.
You know what I mean? Explain to them, tell them.
We're going for closing day.
Yeah?
But in essence, it's a movie night.
It's a movie night.
Yeah, and you should go dressed in pajamas.
In pajamas.
Yeah, otherwise we're in pajamas, guys.
So see, I'm in pyjama. And Jamesh in pyjama. Miss Jam Tours in pyjama. I mean, I'm in pyjama. So you guys can see what is happening, family. So we're gonna go. It's closing day.
In a pajama.
And this is what, the second time they're doing it or what? They did it last year? That's an every year thing. Every December.
Every day they have an activity.
Like every term.
Yeah, every time when they close.
Okay,
like
okay.
There's a day, so grandmothers were in school, they cooking traditional food. So
wow.
there's also sharing day where
Sharing day,
parents
yeah.
food
Yeah, family. So in Kenya, I tell you, when you come out to a family, you know what I mean? Kenya is family. You know what I mean? Even if you don't want to be a part of a family, you have to be a part of a family. That's the country. The country is not so modern, it's traditional family. So today, guys, we're going to a movie night where the kids closing their movie night. As you know, Amish started school a few weeks ago. So, you know what I mean? He was actually able to catch the last part of it.
Yeah.
So, him actually, movie night. He's doing movie night. So, let's go, family. Let's go. Amesh?
So are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Why?
Because now I've never experienced nothing like this before. It's my first time.
Yeah.
You know, when you're experiencing something for the first time, you're kind of excited because
Once
you don't
you
know.
have kids, now we are ready for anything. The other day, a friend of my friend, no, it's my friend who was telling me that her friend, then they were told to whatever shopping because the school is taking the kids to Dubai for the trip. So yeah. So now we've entered there. We don't know what will come next. Next time we'll be told all this and that.
You have the cares. Yeah,
Like
family. So
the kids are going to South Africa or wherever.
or
Masai Mara. No, even local.
So you allow your kids to go so far in South
Oh yeah,
Africa?
we'll do it unless
I
I'm
don't think
there.
that's it.
Honestly, unless I'm there. But I don't think they can take them as,
Yes,
as
so young.
No.
Yeah.
If it's so young, maybe for a camp like just local.
Not even locals, you know what I mean?
No, not very far, not very far.
Trust me, family, when you come on the kids these days in a Babylon system where morality is immorality, you can't trust no man with your kids. No man. You know what I mean? So, we don't know about Jam Tours. I'm very protective of my kids, and the other day I was in the mall with my little young daughter, and I was there feeding her with the breast milk that Miss Jam Tours pumped out. And this lady come and say, can I hold the baby? I say, hell no. Because I don't know, next thing, you gotta take the baby and then, it's there if a woman have a baby and a man try to fight her from her, people things like that. You know what I mean? She might take the baby from you, and when you and back you say, no, this is my baby, and what you do? You know what I mean? In a public, people start come down for you and say, oh, this, and then she gone with your young baby. You know what I mean? So
You'll be left to be beaten for taking another woman's baby, and the baby has gone.
and the baby is your baby. Yeah. You know, woman get a lot of rights. You know what I mean? When they see man with a baby, it's like, it's unnormal. You know what I mean?
Even when you're like, even at the airport, you'll be asked,
where's the mother of the child? Yeah. So anyway, guys, you know what I mean? We're going to movie night. We're just going to show you guys what it's like here growing up and raising kids in Kenya. You know what I mean? This is just start for me. It's a new development in my life. And I'm just, accepting the journey and showing you what it's like to raise and, grow your child here in Kenya. So, let's go.
I feel like we're late, love.
We're late. What time is it supposed to be? We're not to stop at Pandora.
It was to start at
Kenyan time already.
Kenyan time, and I've seen the other people have already dressed up.
But those are socialites people and the family now. This school that we're going now, a lot of social influencer in Kenya. Send them kids there. So, you know what I mean? Jam Tours no follow people. You know what I mean? So Miss Jam Tours now, she the one being like, you know what I mean, see them online and, you know what I mean, say, oh, this and that.
They've already dressed up, so now.
You know what I mean? But when you dabble in a Babylon system, with Christmas, we never celebrate these things. And I want my kids them to do the same thing.
Maybe a good thing the road we are using doesn't have traffic. I guess we'll only experience traffic here.
We use the back road.
Yeah, we're using the back.
Alright, family, let's go. Yeah, family, so we're on our way. And I just want to show you guys how Nairobi look like Jamaica in this time of the year. If you don't come to Nairobi no time of the year, make sure you come in November, December, January, February, March. Yeah. And Kenya with the family. Kenya. And when me say my daughter name, yeah. Kenya this. Kenya. Road pretty. No pothole you driving to the city. No pothole. You know what I mean? Yeah. And Kenya this. Kenya. You never know. You're that a Kenya. Yeah, family. So continue watching while we go. Just to let you know, it's a Kenya. Yeah, family, just pull up a Pandora, the artist, you know what I mean, residential apartment in Nairobi right now. You know what I mean? As you can see, guys, at the big screen, this is what it's gonna look like. Just a show on family. This is what it's gonna look like, family. If you don't get one of this, you know not more to tell you, family. You know what I mean? If you don't get one of this, you know not more to tell you. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is a Pandora. It's a Pandora. New beginning, new world. Yeah. So we only have 3 bedroom. Everything else sold out, family. Only 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom available. Amesh. Yeah, that thing melt off in your mouth. You're tearing that chicken. You're tearing that chicken.
I have turtle here.
Hold her for a little so you can eat. Aha! Aha! Amish enjoying his cotton candy. You not even know if this is how you eat it, Amish. Let me show you, come. Let me show you, come. daddy piece, come. You don't want to give me peace? Hmm? Get up, boy. Guy, look where you do to it. Quick. I'm enjoying his some days cotton candy. He's enjoying it. Hi. Are this okay? I'm just going to follow the leader. Follow the leader, amen. Follow the leader. Oh, she's trying to reach that ball. Follow the leader, follow the leader. Follow the leader, Amesh. Follow the leader, Amesh. Follow the leader. Follow the leader. Follow the leader. Follow the leader, Amesh. Follow the leader. Jump.